was really jealous of her. Your bra size for my brain. I could have done anything for your parties with Alcopops, your boyfriends for my books. You had 2 boyfriends at the same time. I only had one. A friend who happened to be a boy. My male mirror, plump, not even funny. Your sisters who could apply makeup for my annoying brother. And your mum who let you stay up late for my parents' holy bedtime. But now you phone me up, complaining that your kids take all your time and that your 25-year-old body is too tired for sex. You want to swap with me, dancing in bars, going home with strangers, anticipating a hangover without having to change nappies the day after. You want my dance floor for your puked on carpet, my cocktails for your leaking milk. And I don't want your mortgage or banana puree. But call me back in 20 years' time, when I'm too old for the clubs and pubs. You won't want my tiny flat for your 3-bedroom house, or my drawer of expired condoms for your wedding band. You'll send me Christmas cards with pictures of your grandchildren. I will have run out of foreign beaches and be too old for babies. Thank you.
Aww.